Dustin here with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, and I'm super excited to announce, guys, that I got my first toy hauler that I'm going to have the opportunity to sell, guys. This is a 2026 Forest River Wildwood FSX model number 260 RTK. Now in the back here, you could probably fit a small side-by-side or a nice, good-sized four-wheeler. Party deck back here, as you can see. You want to get down or up, maybe your friends come over and they want to jump up with you. Well, come on up, guys. Over here down the side of the unit, we actually have a nice size awning. We do have 2 exterior speakers, solid steps to get in, and some front end storage, and I'll meet you on the inside, guys. So as I'm sure you know, although this is a toy hauler, you have tons of extra space here if you needed extra sleeping. Boom, 1, boom, 2, and then you can actually take this table here, that drops down and it actually fixates right here, or you can stand it up and just use this as a giant dinette, which would be really cool for partying. Come on inside, guys. There is a little privacy thing back here too, for if somebody was sleeping back here, of course, right? Kitchenette area, huge sink, actually. Love to see that. We do have some storage down below, and of course, some storage up above. Range hood, Greystone range hood, 3-burner cooktop, and then we have the built-in convection microwave down below, guys. Beautiful window there for a nice breeze. Across from this one, of course, they both have blinds, and then this is your entertainment area. So you can put about a 32-inch size TV there. You do have the JBL sound system, solar up there. There is all your unit controls right there, and a fireplace to keep you warm on those chilly nights. Just behind me is our Furrion 12-volt refrigerator. Gosh, guys, I'm all excited for this toy hauler. This is awesome. Anchor points for your toys, of course. In here to the bathroom, I'm actually impressed. There's quite a bit of space in here, guys. Nice shower. We might as well start with that. If you're 6 feet tall, I mean, I'm 5 nothing, whatever you want to say. 6 feet tall person's going to have no problem in here. Glass doors, easy to clean. Beautiful vanity with the arch. On-demand hot water and some more storage. Tons of space around the toilet, too, honestly. All your towels and face cloths. Extra toilet paper and whatnot. And then the bedroom's not bad either. Right in here, you got the curved mattress, so it's easy to get around. Closet space, wardrobe space, up and down. There is up overhead storage, as well as some storage on either side. Down below, we got extra storage bins and access to that front end storage. And then, right here, right there, gotta open my eyes, we can put a TV. We also have windows for cross breeze ventilation, guys. This thing is super, super awesome. I dressed for the occasion just to take this video, guys. So if you like this unit and you want to get into it for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke exit 11. And don't forget to keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com.